So this is Laguna Open weekend. It's one of the longest running beach volleyball competitions that apparently I'm just 66 years. I made it into the main draw. I'm playing with Logan Webber, really good blocker. Destroyed AVP next for the last year. Been in the main draw AVP, maybe all 3 this year. Yeah, so he's been killing it, and he reached out to me and asked if I wanted to play, and of course I jumped on it. And I think his AVP points, my cbva points, got us the 5th seed at this tournament. Some really good teams. There's Andy Benesh and Billy Allen, Cal Friend, David Lee, Paul Lottman, Theo Brunner. That's just the ones from the top of my head. Who else is there? There's a whole bunch of AVP guys there, like Rafi Paulus, Earl Schultz. I played with Earl earlier this year when I won Santa Barbara. Avery Drost is going to be there. I also won a tournament with him. He's playing with Chase Frischman, who's a ridiculously good defender. So all these teams are going to be really tough. Like Travis Muirwitzer and Tim Brewster with their World Tour point. Like they've played so much World Tour, and like they have really good AVP finishes and points behind them. So it's going to be a tough tournament. It's going to be really cool. The beach is super small. Looks like a pretty intimate venue, which is going to be amazing. So yeah, hopefully I do a good job of documenting this, and as always I'm gonna try and show off my editing skills. Yeah, and maybe Courtney will help it. She's a really good job of like feeding information into me, but she's better at the videos and stuff than I am, because she studied this, so like back in high school before she did like all our economics and businessy stuff. So this is an insight into one of the tournaments. Oh, there's $15,000 prize money as well, so hopefully Logan's on fire. We trained against Chase Budinger and Troy Field, who are not going because they're playing a 4-man, and we played really well against them. We beat them in a set at the end of the game, so like we're clicking really well. I know it's not a good indicator of like level, just one set of training, but like it showed that like we're really doing well as a team, and that like I'm really firing with my off-season training. So excited to get after it. Right now I'm just going to go do a lift. I'm not really going to video it. It should be short, pretty short and sweet. Today is a bunch, like I have some French contrast training, so it'll be some barbell jumps, squat jumps, banded plyo jumps. So I put the band around me and then I put it around the rack, and it helps me jump a little bit higher, so I should be like springy. And then I go into some box jumps. So the first 2 are kind of preparation for this real like kick of vertical energy. I have some shoulder prehab stuff I'm going to do as well. I also have plyometric push-ups in as well with the band around me and then around the thing. Those things wreck me because I don't really do much chest, so they kind of like gas me, but for the aesthetics, apparently aesthetics wins games. That's what Jake Uratia told me, another phenomenal defender on the AVP. So yeah, better go get it, and hopefully I catch up with you during the tournament. Thank you, bye bye. Day 1, Laguna Beach. Day 2, Laguna Beach. See, we've done it. My poor videoing skills. It looks like I did the exact same thing with a sweet edit there.
Yeah, for sure.
So my editing got better over my videos.
Nice.
Yeah. Corny's here today, so that's why there's a camera. I suck at it. What did we do yesterday? Went 3-0.
Just keep walking.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to look at it too.
I know.
What did we do? We played our first game, we won that against Mayer and Price. Then we played David Lee, Cal Friend, won that 2-0. And then we played Billy Allen and Andy Benesh. And we won 2-1, but that was super close. So today we're straight into the semis. We're going to find out who we play between David Lee and Cal Friend, or Paul Lottman and Theo Brunner. So both of them are going to be a tough game. I'll hopefully do that, and then we'll be in the final. So yeah, see you in a bit.
going behind you, you can go. I think so.
Yeah, there must be. So there's 2 more. I thought there was only 1 game.
Webber, at the cheetah. Great set by Logan Webber. Bring that ball.
Oh, yeah.
Logan Webber. The main team seems to be doing something. Oh, here we go. Wait a second. Laura Seain. Hazen, what do you think about this? Give him a red, baby. That's just beautiful in-flight telemetry. Get out there. Protect our coast. Nice playing, guys. Kyle, David. Great go. Great play. Yeah. Sound good. By the way, my shorts were short.
Awesome playing.
Oh, was it him?
Not him.
So close. So far.
Don't let the cushion part in there.
Every time I film him, he always makes the error. It's literally like 10 out of 10 times. He's like, why don't you get a photo of me hitting or a video? I was like, I can't. It's your fault, actually. We got one. We got one.
There you go.
We did it.
Every time I pull out my phone and they're about to serve, they always hit the net.
That's what, I have 20 photos of him just making like service errors. There's nothing I can do with that either. I'm like,
Put the camera down.
yeah.
Oh boy!
Let's go! One!
Big mistake. Oh, yeah. Come on, you can't serve that guy. He's gonna put it away every time. Oh, horrible pass. There it is. There it is.
see what?
We'll just get the cool
The
sky
sun.
first. Okay.
Well, and to day 2, we did it. We fucking won. Can I use fucking? No.
We can beep it out.
Beep. So first game of the day, we had Cal and David Lee. After we beat Paul and Theo. Battle, did we go 3 or was it 2? I'm asking Courtney, or my digital manager.
I don't really remember.
We won that. Tough game. They played really well.
Yeah, they did.
David started getting a bunch of blocks. Cal had great angles. And then in the final, we played Billy and Andy again. They took the first set very convincingly.
Yep.
And then the second set was an absolute battle. Andy started hitting some ridiculous shots. Took that, and then we went into the third and we were rolling. We were going strong, and then, yeah, absolute blitzed it.
How much did you win?
I won for, did we say?
Okay, what was the big win of this?
What was the big win?
What are you immortalized on now?
Oh yeah, my name's on one of the poles down here, so that's kind of a big deal. So that's awesome. My mom and dad are like, we have to make a pilgrimage already, so we'll definitely be coming back. Have to come back and play next year, or try and steal Logan again.
Yeah.
Well, I got this big ass bag of stuff.
Yeah.
Some really good gear in here. That's
and some
awesome.
cash.
And we got some cash as well for winning, but yeah, it's like a little added bonus.
Yeah.
So yeah, terrific tournament. I'm so tired. We just walked up a big ass hill and my calves burst. So.
Anyone you want to thank?
Kurt Morgan, Selzniks, Avery on the mic, that was awesome. Courtney for doing all my camera stuff. Logan for picking me out from the throngs of people he wanted to play with. Who else? Who else did I miss? Thank you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, now for the drive home.
Slunks gave me their cap as well. So
It looks really good.
Yeah, it's very comfortable and very light. But yeah, now for the drive home.
High five.
Hey.